Welcome dear friends. Today we'll talk about again the timing of event. The first video on timing of event I had made, it is a titled Timing of Event in Astrology. Please go through that video if you haven't. And there I showed how what will happen when Jupiter is here in the first house. So this is where Jupiter is seated, that is considered to be the first house. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So till the house of Capricorn where moon is sitting. So in that video, first video, I have explained till here. So please refer to that video. Today is the second video on timing of event. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Now friends, let us see what will happen after, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 years are over now. And wherever Jupiter is seated, Jupiter is a significator of the native. That house for timing of events is taken to be like the house of Libra will be taken to be the first house. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So and Jupiter stays in one sign for 1 year, one zodiac sign for 1 year. Okay. So they say this is the first round of Jupiter's transit. Jupiter is the significator of the native. So then after the fourth year, we will go to the fifth year. 4 years it is there in the first video. Now fifth year, Jupiter will come to the house of Aquarius. Sixth year, again Pisces. Seventh year, Aries. Eighth year, Taurus. Ninth year, again Gemini, where Rahu is seated. We know friends that Rahu is retrograde. So Rahu will also have a powerful aspect which is around 50% on the house that is 12th from it. Okay. So that is the house of Taurus. So when the native reached the house of Taurus, when Jupiter reached in the course of its progression, the native was around 8 years old. If we calculate, we can see around 8 years old. So at that age, the native suffered from a severe cold, some infection due to severe cold and sinusitis. Some infection took place, and the native also had breathing difficulty, as Jupiter is the significator of breath and Rahu is obstruction. So breathing difficulty also can take place when because Jupiter had crossed over this house of Taurus where Rahu's aspect was there, powerful aspect 50%, because Rahu is retrograde. So this happened. Then when the native was 9 years old, then Jupiter was in the house of Gemini. Jupiter was in the house of Gemini where Rahu is seated. You can see in the chart, friends. What happened then? So at the age of 9 years, the native suffered from measles. So some health problem usually takes place whenever Jupiter, the natal Jupiter also transits over Rahu. Yes, Rahu is known as the dragon's head and Ketu is known as dragon's tail. Okay, so whenever Jupiter will transit over Rahu, then some health problem. So the native had measles, and which is so irritating, yes, and for a child who is just 9 years old, yes, it was like a difficult time for the child, and it was there for around 14 days, around 2 weeks. Yes, after that gradually she recovered. Okay friends, so we can see that. Next what we can, let us go a little forward. Yes, so 9 years now Jupiter reached Rahu, then 10 years, say around 10 years, Jupiter reached this fourth house, the house of moon. Sorry, not fourth house, this is actually the house of Cancer, the house ruled by Cancer. So Cancer sign. So Jupiter reached here. So at that time the native's age was around 10 years. Okay, 10, 11, 12. Say around 12 years when the native was, then Jupiter reached the house of Mercury. I mean the house of Virgo, in which Mercury is seated, and we know that Mercury is exalted in Virgo. So Jupiter reached this house of Virgo where Mercury is also seated. So the native did very well in education. That is at that time 12 years, no, the native was around 12 years. So she was in school. So she was in school at that time. So at that age of 12 years, 12 and a half, 13. So we take up to like 12 to 13. We calculate like that. So this house means 12 to 13. So from 12 to 13, like that. So in school, she in that year, she got the best student of the class award. She got that award, best student of the class. She did very well in studies also, and also overall, like as a, even her behavior. So she was the best student, not only in studies but also even in extracurricular activities in the school. So yeah, she did very well, and she got, and studies also. I think she topped also. So then she got the in the class, like she the best student of the class award. She got a certificate and a prize. So that award was given by her school. Then you can see, friends, this is around, I said 12 years, say around 12 years, so 12, 13, that bracket, okay. Then at the age of 14 years, say, this is 12, then say around 13 years. When the native was around 13 years, 13 and a half, Jupiter reached again the sign of Libra, the house which is ruled by Libra, okay. Here in the natal chart, originally Jupiter was posited only, but then we calculate how, we know that Jupiter is in transit also. Jupiter makes progression, natal Jupiter also makes progression. So if it makes progression, then it will come back to its house also every like 12 years. So Jupiter started from here, it stayed in each of the zodiac signs, each of the 12 zodiac signs. Jupiter stayed for 1 year, so all total 12 years Jupiter stayed in the 12 zodiac signs till here, till Virgo. Then once again now Jupiter has come to Libra. So you can say 12 years, first round completed, first round of Jupiter is over, first round of transit, Jupiter's transit is over. So we can say the second round of transit has begun. So you can say this is the 13th year for the native, yeah, 13 and a half. Now what happened when Jupiter reached here? In progression. So here we have the house, here it is the sign of Libra, yes. And friends, this is the chart of a native, a female native, okay. Alright. So what happened? So here, friends, we can see that at the age of 13, here Saturn is there, and we, as friends, you can see that Saturn and Venus, they are combust. Yes, you can see that they are combust. Now when a planet becomes combust, when it goes very close to the sun in terms of degrees, like you can see the sun is here, so the degrees also, difference of degrees was less. That is why these two planets, they are combust. But friends, combust Saturn and combust Venus doesn't mean that Venus and Saturn will not be able to give any results. It is not that. They give results, and usually it is also believed that sun absorbs their power because they are combust, because they got close to the sun. So some of their results will be delivered by sun also. But also one more thing is seen, that when planets become combust, like Saturn is the significator of profession, and Venus is also the significator of money and wealth. So there will be some obstacles if planets are combust. Then in those areas of life, some obstacles will be there, but that doesn't mean that those planets will not give any results. It is not that, but yes, the native will have to encounter some obstacles. Okay, so friends, you can see that, but at the age of 13 years, profession for a child just stepped into teenagehood. So it is actually not this native's profession, because only 13 years, at that time she was a school student only, she was studying in school. Okay, so whose profession it could be, or what it could be? Let's see. It is not the native's profession here. When Jupiter reached here at the age when the native was 13 years old, it is not Saturn is not here signifying the native's profession. What is it signifying? You can see, friends, that this is Sun is there. Yes, Sun. Sun is the significator of the native's father. Okay. Now Sun and Venus. So Venus is also close to the Sun. So we can say that this is the father's money. We can say that father's money. Okay. Now Sun is debilitated. So Sun is debilitated also shows that the father was not someone who was very like powerful. Father was somebody who was from a very humble background. Yes, and his profession also was a very humble one, or whatever he used to do, because Sun is debilitated. So that is why we can also read that father was not somebody who was very who was very well off and all. He was from a humble background. He was not, in fact you could say that the father was a little weak also. Yes, maybe financially or otherwise, in any other way we can say that. Now this is the father's money. Okay, father's money, Venus here. And Jupiter, friends, Jupiter has reached now in progression. Jupiter has reached the house of Libra. We also know that Jupiter and Venus, they both signify wealth in a way. Jupiter also signifies wealth and prosperity. Venus is the significator of liquid cash and money and wealth also. So somehow there is some indication that it has to do with the father's money and wealth. Yes, but the father is from a very humble background, and the father himself is like he's not very well off. Okay, he does a very simple job maybe. Okay, so Saturn is also there. Okay, now because we can say that father's money, so the father, he was doing some particular job. Okay, some particular job. It was a clerical job in the government sector. In the case of this native, in the government sector only, some clerical, he occupied some clerical post. So I told you, a very simple position he occupied. Okay, so Saturn also is the significator of secrecy. Yes, friends. So we can say that the father, when the native was around 13 years old, when Jupiter reached the sign of Libra, yes, then the native's father earned some money secretly. We can say that he earned some money, that also from his profession. Yes, he earned some money from his profession, and Saturn is actually showing secrecy. So he earned some money secretly, maybe in the form of bribe or whatever. So that also we can say. Yes, so you see, friends, how we can actually, so this happened when Jupiter reached the house of Libra, and so obstacles were there in the path of earning money. This Venus is money did not come easily to the father, because Venus is combust, and Saturn also is combust. So there were obstacles. Yes, so but the father finally, he could, because after all Venus is in the sign of Libra, no, which is Venus's own sign, and Saturn, though combust, Saturn is also exalted in Libra. So there were some obstacles in the path of earning money, like The father could not earn it easily, but it did not come to him easily, but he overcame some obstacles and he earned money. Yes, that also in a secretive way. So that interpretation also we can make. Now friends, one thing I want to make very clear here, that friends, this is one way of looking at the chart, and also because the natives, if someone has access to the native's personal life, then you definitely can say that yes, this only happened. Now friends, you see, whether it is in Bhrigunandi Nadi also, we give a lot of importance to the Karakattvas or the significations of the planets, everything, also to the significations of the signs, zodiac signs, even the houses, like what does the first house, where Jupiter is seated, that is the first house. Okay, so friends, there can be numerous interpretations. Yes, and there is no such thing in astrology that this is correct, that is incorrect. So I have received one or two comments of that sort, and that is very disheartening. No, because there is nothing called correct or incorrect. It depends on what works for you. If you are using a certain theory and if it is working for you, then it works for you. Then definitely that is going to work for you if you really believe in that theory, and the basic principles we have taken definitely from Bhrigunandi Nadi. The Karakattvas of planets have so many Karakattvas. One planet can have more than hundreds of Karakattvas. More than hundreds, more than 200 Karakattvas, even more than that. So the more you know about the significations, you can make n number of interpretations. So we cannot say that this interpretation is right, that is wrong. This is actually, friends, this is not the way of looking at even astrology. Astrology is something which is very complex. It is not so simple that we can easily say that this is absolutely right, that is absolutely wrong. Nothing is absolute. It is relative. Everything is relative. It depends on our perspective, how we look at it, and whether whatever principles we are using, whether it is working for us or not. That is the question actually. Anyway friends, so do subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much.